With this piece of wood, I've started this YouTube channel. So guys, this is the setup that I've been using in my very first videos recording. No money, no professional cameras at all, and I want to show you behind of my first step. Hello everybody, my name is Jonathan. I'm a graphic artist and illustrator. I create tutorials especially for Affinity designer on iPad Pro and desktop as well. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to not miss anything. Don't forget to watch my weekly live stream as well, where I share tutorials and you guys can become my patron to get much more deeper tutorials and exercises. I'll leave the link on my Telegram channel so you guys can get the upcoming live streaming and contents link directly in your mobile phone. So as you guys can see here, I have this piece of wood attached to a pipe platforms that is very technological, by the way, that is capable to hold a camera. Now we can place our iPad or a paper. If you don't have an iPad, you guys can place now a professional mic holder. If you're watching this video right now, probably you have a camera in your mobile phone, which makes you able to record your video as well if you want. Most people are spending hundreds and thousands of cash about paying for expensive technologies, and they are just starting and they never start because they have excuses. I can't because I don't have such technology or tools and cameras, blah blah blah. Guys, really, I've started this YouTube channel with really humble beginning, just my mobile phone, you know, and I opened my first zombie video that has now 100,000 views thanks to all this beginning. Look what we got now. The camera is turning on, and this technology that I had was so nice that I could change the height as well. At this point, I like to have the zoomed out record because you can crop this later on when you are editing your video to fit in a social media post. And let me show you the mic that cost me only, I guess, 10 bucks with a phone jack to plug in my mobile phone to record my voice. Of course, this is not a good quality, but so far better than nothing. That was my first philosophy. I had no money, I needed to do with what I had, no excuses. Now after plug in my phone, I can place the mic at the professional mic support, as you guys can see. And look again the result that we got so far. As you guys can see now, the camera can record my hands at the iPad screen already. Let me start a new project to show you a deeper view. My mobile phone is a 2016 generation, and this video was recorded at the middle of 2018. Many of the YouTubers that you guys may follow show their nice and professional setups, and you guys may think that you need to have a perfect setup to start your record or your job, you know. And guys, you really don't need to have the first generation, you know, to spend your hard work money to grab this high top technology. You start by simple with what you have, and by the time you can grow your tools like I'm doing right now. I'm improving my camera, as you guys can see, my setup behind me. I can bring a better quality. What I'm drawing here is this setup recap that you guys can see a bit better. Basically, we have two pieces of wood that support another wood at the middle of the top wood. Leave a space for the camera, alright, if you want to follow this, and place your camera above, and that's done. If you want to see my current setup that I'm using here and on my studio, please leave a comment here below. I'm planning to make a studio tour that I have built right now, and soon you guys show your support here. I can bring the next video pretty soon. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to visit my Patreon page to get my tutorials and deeper tutorials, and also my Grow store where I share my package. All right, all the links will be available at the description below. And guys, stay tuned on in my live streaming tutorials that I do every week, and I hope to see you in the next video. All right, bye bye guys, see you.